I can't even, I tried, I was like, I'm not doing it. I was like, I'm not doing it.
Staying dry, trying to stay dry.
Yeah. Come on. All the other crazy guys are out there on the field.
Okay, so we're supposed to be filming today. We're supposed to be filming some running scenes, some drone shots, but the weather is not exactly cooperating. And our talent's cold.
And I'm from England, so it must be cold.
You want some more porridge? Start to do it because it's not down. It's gonna get better than what it is now.
Looks like as good as it's gonna get, so we're a go. Alright, hey everybody. This is Edgar.
What's up, guys?
Edgar is the lighting guru extraordinaire on this film.
One and only.
He's been making stuff look good.
Really good. Like, really good.
Yeah, here's an example.
What was that?
Movie magic.
Right?
Movie magic.
That'll work.
That is what we're here to do.
I believe in you.
We're rolling. Action.
Good work, Sam.
Good job, guys. Good job, Gavin. That would be good for the wide for sure.
I keep saying this, I'm about to shake this potato. Like, physically wise, I'm just like, oh, running.
Okay. Conditions are good, so we're gonna try to fly the drone while there's no rain, because it keeps raining off and on. So, and you can't fly drones in the rain, because we're not all like Casey Neistat. And we can't all buy new Phantom 4s every single time we wreck one. Some of us actually have to take care of our gear.
Yeah, do you want it?
Whatever you're going at. You might try to fly.
Okay, so this is Kevin. Kevin is the drone operator. We finally got a clearing in the sky where it wasn't raining, and so he was able to get some awesome shots.
Excited. We got some cool stuff today, man.
Yeah. It's
The water on the track was amazing when the sun hit it, wasn't it?
Yeah, between the gimbals and the golf carts and the drones and all that stuff, this part of the shoot is very cool.
All in 4K too.
Nice.
Hey!
So yeah,
that.
look
Sick.
forward to it.
Bye! Woo! Okay, I saw that. That was tight. That was actually tight. Hey!
Pass me that shot sheet.
Ready to move the cut?
Huh?
Ready to move the cut?
Yeah.
Go.
Whoa! That was a tough start. Good job, guys. There you go. Push past us. Push past us. There you go.
I got to
Cut.
the window before I record because New York don't know.